Welcome back, family. Welcome back. This is Jackie, aka Nala. Thanks for clicking on our videos. We appreciate it, guys. If you find our videos helpful, press that like button. If you find these videos inspiring, press that like button. Share it with your family and friends, please. Sharing is caring. Please also consider subscribing and join this family, because that's what we are. We're family. Okay? We are. Today we're going to continue talking about being successful in life. In our last two videos, we talked about either pursuing a trade skill or pursuing a career. Well, the choice is yours, guys. But today we're going to talk about how to be successful in whatever you pursue. You've got to be strategic. You've got to have a plan to be successful. It doesn't happen overnight. And it doesn't happen if you procrastinate. So let's talk about some skills that you need to focus on to be successful in life, in whatever you pursue. So whether it be trade skill or whether it be career or a business, we'll talk about successful skills that you should have today. Please share this video with your friends and family. Please like, please subscribe. Listen. Number one in achieving success is this. You've got to throw out the door the procrastination. You cannot procrastinate in anything in life. If you want to achieve something, if you want to achieve any type of trade skill, if you want to achieve any type of career, throw out the door, throw it outside procrastination, the hesitation, the I can't or I don't know. That lack of confidence, throw it outside. That's the first step in trying to be successful in anything. You can do it, guys. Yes, you can. I want you to look in the mirror every day and say to yourself and realize from within that you can achieve anything that you want to achieve in life. You've got to be confident in yourself. Yes, you can do it. I'm your cheerleader. Yes, I am. I am. Listen, you've got to decide what you want to pursue, whether it be trade skill or career. You've got to make a decision. Not yesterday, not 3 weeks from now, not 6 months from now. Make a decision today what you want to pursue. Better job, a career, make a decision. Well, listen. You know what? You can do it. Yes, you can, guys. Yes, you can. You've got the phone in your hand. Write it down and make it plain to yourself what you want to pursue. Trade skill, better job, career. What's going to pay you the most? What's going to be the biggest blessing for you and your family? You're going to start in those two areas, trade skill or career. You can do it. Yes, you can. Take the word no out of your thought process. Throw it away, guys. The words I can't, throw that away too. You can do it, guys. Yes, you can. So write it down, what you want to pursue. Set a goal for yourself. Would you like to achieve this trade skill? Would you like to achieve this career that you're interested in? 6 months, a year? Will it take you a year and a half? But set a goal for yourself. It's important to write things down. This is how you stay organized. This is how you stay focused. It will help you achieve success. It will. I promise you it will. Make a list for yourself. Review your list. Work on your list every day. There's no day off. Don't take a day off, guys. When you're trying to succeed in life, there's no day off. No, there's no days off. No, not at all. Organize your list, guys. As you achieve things on your list, cross them out. Have you researched that trade that you're interested in? Have you researched it online? Have you reached out to people in your community that are actually working in that particular trade? Remember, it's important to make friends, not just for good times friends, but make friends in terms of, okay, well, that person actually has a career or a particular trade that I'm interested in. Those are very smart friends to have, guys. You can make friends. You know how to make friends. We're talking about making different types of friends. We're talking about making friends that will lead to success. This is the road to success, guys. Make the list. Make contacts. Absolutely. You can do it, guys. Every time you meet somebody that's in that trade that you're interested in, put their contact in your phone. That career that you're interested in pursuing, put that contact, name and phone number, email, all that good stuff in your phone. Your phone is your tool to success. You can research trades. You can research careers. How much do they pay? Is it worth your time? You can do it, guys. Yes, you can. I have confidence in you. To succeed in life, number one, each and every day, you have to have confidence in yourself. Remember, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Take the word no and I can't. Take those words out of your vocabulary, out of your thought process. We're talking about the road to success, guys. It takes planning. It takes diligence. You've got to be focused. You've got to be aggressive, and you can do it, guys. Yes, you can do it. Absolutely. But you got to start with the idea and the goal. You've got to realize that you're doing this for yourself, but also for your family. So that's your motivation. That's the key motivation, guys. Why are you trying to achieve this trade skill? Why are you trying to achieve this career? Because I want to be a blessing to me and my family. And if I'm making more money, automatically I can be a blessing to my family. Automatically, if you're making more money. But you've got to take the steps to make more money. It just doesn't drop in your lap. You got to take steps. You have to be proactive, guys. Yes, you can. You can't drag your feet, guys. So decide what you want, guys, and pursue it each and every day. Get closer to reaching your goals each and every day. Travel the road to success. It starts with the goal. What do you want to achieve? Trade skill or career? Start with that. Do the research, guys. You can do it. Yes, you can. You use your phone all the time to Google things and research things. Now use that phone of yours, all right? Use the internet to research the trade skill or the career that you're interested in. Always find out, what does that trade pay? How needy is that trade or that career? Is it in high demand? Is it in high need? The research is on your phone. You've got to take the steps to review that information and decide whether that particular trade skill or that career is worth your time. Well, how much is it paying? Is it paying, significantly more than what you're making now? That's something to think about. That's something to consider and make a decision. Is that the career? Is that the trade skill that you want to pursue? But start with your research, guys. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. I want you to always throw out the words "I can't" from your vocabulary, from your thought process. Throw it out, guys. Travel the road to success with me, guys. Let's travel together. We're on the road to success, guys. We are. Whatever you're pursuing, I'm right there with you, encouraging you. This is Jackie, aka Nala. I'll see you in the next video.